Hopefully you were able to take all of the principles and info from the last section and make an awesome SEO-friendly article. There's one more step that we need to do to make sure that it gets on Google's radar so they can start ranking it, and that's promotion. And there are 3 steps to promotion. The first part is promoting to your audience. So taking advantage of whatever assets that you have and getting that article in front of as many people who are in your audience as possible. The second part is promoting to other people's audiences. So going out and getting in people's email lists, on their site, in message boards, anywhere you can where an existing audience that you don't own might like or benefit from your article and getting traffic from that. The third part is adding it to your structure so that all the existing content on your site supports that article, and then in the future articles support this article as well. This way, whenever people show up on one part of your site, they can move around to different parts, and each article can support each other one in that way. This way, you level out a bit of your traffic from the huge whales that pull in most of your visitors. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into part 1, promoting to your audience.